इस वक्त सीधे शिरकत करेंगे येस बैंक की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पर। उनके नतीजों पर बहुत बातचीत कर रहे हैं इस वक्त कंपनी के चेयरमैन श्री राणा कपूर।
Particular quarter are reflected in some of these numbers, as in like our net profit having increased to a level of 290.1 crores, which represents an overall increase of 34.3% compared to the previous year. Our overall growth in loans and credit substitutes stands at 32.4%, within which advances have grown by 16.4%. Net interest income has grown by 33% year on year, and non-interest income has grown quite well this quarter by about 74.3%. The main highlight of this quarter is the continuous accretion in our savings account balances, which year on year have grown by 354%, with CASA growing by 71.5% year on year. Overall, CASA has improved by almost 5.4% year on year, and sequentially since March 31st, 2012, is improved by 1.3% and now stands at a fairly healthy 16.3%. I'm also pleased to report to you that the board and subsequently the shareholders last Saturday have approved a step up in our dividend to a level of now 40%, which is a 60% improvement from the previous year. And we have also now fulfilled a 3-year track record in dividend payments, which is fairly important for domestic insurance investors, because they like to see a track record of 3 years and very often as part of their investment policy. One other key number this quarter which has crossed a significant milestone is our overall deposits, which have grown to a level of 50,208 crores, having crossed the magic number of 50,000 crores for the first time since inception of the bank. The basic EPS for the quarter was 8.2 rupees, showing a growth of almost 32% compared to the corresponding quarter last year. Shareholder funds are just short of 5,000 crores at a level of 4,978 crores, showing an overall increase of 23.8%, and total capital funds are just a whisker short of 10,000 crores at a level of 9,495 crores.
येस बैंक की Q1 फिगर्स और उसके बारे में बातचीत करते हुए कंपनी के चेयरमैन श्री राणा कपूर। और अगर आप इस वक्त नतीजे देखें, मुनाफा लगभग 34% बढ़कर 290 करोड़ रुपया, काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग फिगर्स रही बॉटम लाइन की। और अगर आप इस दौरान बैंक के NII यानी नेट इंटरेस्ट इनकम शुद्ध ब्याज आए देखें तो करीब 39% बढ़कर करीब 472 करोड़ रुपए, बहुत शानदार रिजल्ट्स। और स्क्रिप्ट भी डे हाई पर, नॉट एग्जैक्टली डे हाई, लेकिन हाँ वेरी क्लोज टू डे हाई, करीब 343.65 का स्तर यहाँ पर है। हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं आज वायदे से फायदा में डेरिवेटिव एक्सपायरी के नजदीक बाजार की शक्लो सूरत को लेकर।